It's finally here, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. And I just want to take a second and thank my local camera store, Ivan's Camera, for getting this thing to me as fast as they possibly could. They're always my first choice for new gear. And let's get into this box and see what's inside. Just so you know, I've edited out all the box opening and the crinkling plastic and all of that nonsense, so you didn't have to listen to any of that, and it'll make it easier for you to get through the video. So let's dive in and see what we got. Of course, we've got the DJI stickers. It's always good to get stickers with a new product. The camera comes in this great little zip-up bag. It's almost like an overnight makeup bag or shave gear bag, and it's amazing how much stuff is packed into this little bag. First off, let's take a look at the camera. Here it is, the Osmo Pocket 4P. As we pull it out, you can see this is the main body of the camera with the screen and the two lenses, and we'll get back to that in a little bit. The Osmo 4 and 4P come with this great little accessory, this light that mounts right on the gimbal. It gives you this ability to film in low light situations. It apparently can do different color temperatures and different brightness levels. And I didn't mention that there is another bag that comes with the kit. I'm not sure why they would give you two bags, but we'll see. Next up comes the accessory that goes on the bottom of the main body of the camera. This allows you to both charge it and mount it to a tripod with the built-in quarter 20 on the bottom of the unit. Included with this combo, which is the vlog combo, by the way, is a small dead cat for your microphone, which blocks out wind noise and background noise while you're trying to record. Also included in this kit is a small tripod which mounts to the quarter 20 that I mentioned earlier, which allows you to set the unit down and walk away and allow you to be tracked. Speaking of the microphone, there is a small Mic Mini 2 included in this unit. As you'll see here, it's a great little microphone that you'll be very, very happy with. Watch the microphone when I set it down. It'll show you how strong the magnet is on the back. You'll see the two magnets automatically go right to the microphone. The microphone comes with both a magnet and a magnetic clip on the back of the microphone and two face plates. It comes with a black one and the white one that you see on it now that are interchangeable. One of my favorite things that I was looking forward to with this unit is this new little frame tap remote, which allows you to step away from the unit, but still be able to view your composition and control the recording and the tilt and many other functions on the actual camera itself. The remaining contents of the bag are a bunch of different cables for transferring files, charging the frame tap and the microphone, a couple of different wrist straps for the frame tap and the unit itself, and this pretty much completes all the contents of this little bag. It's pretty amazing how much stuff is crammed into this thing. And there you have it. That's everything that comes in the vlog combo here in Canada, at least, for the Osmo Pocket 4P. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. There's going to be plenty more videos with this thing coming up. As soon as I learn how to use it and set up all the settings and figure out how to film and log and do all of these wonderful things. So stay tuned, come back for more, leave a like down below, hit subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos, and I'll see you again next time.